Hey everybody, welcome back to another Magic the Gathering Foundation Collector box opening. These packs are loaded with special cards like Mana Foils, Fractured Foils, Japanese Showcase, Special Guest, and more. I've been waiting to open this. Hope we can get a Fractured Foil today. First box didn't have one. For instance, we pulled Think Twice, Anime Style, Japanese Showcase in English. Then we got a Sky Knight Squire and Mana Foil. And the Ride of the Dragon Caller, also Mana Foil. So if you want to see those pulled, check my first video. Appreciate it. So let's continue with this one for today. Hope today I really want to pull this Fractured Foil. And I love the art on the box. It's amazing. Alright. Let's get those 12 packs out. One of them must have the Fractured Foil. First box didn't have, second one has it. For sure. For sure. Alright, first pack of the video. See if we can open them easy. It's not that easy. Fighting for its life. Okay. I hope the others will be a little bit easier. Nice. Serious trouble. I don't wanna crash the cards. And we made it. So we got a token, dragon, flying. So first spot of the pack is the most important. Can be the biggest hits. So let's start. First pack.
Disgusting!
Anthem of Champions. Borderless Foil. Coma. Loot. And a Progenitus. Amazing card. Looks pretty cool. Protection from everything. If Progenitus would be put in a graveyard from anywhere, reveal Progenitus and shuffle it into its owner's library instead. Okay, pretty cool. And Alesha. So let's put the rares on the rare, the mythics on the mythics. There's an Ant Forest. Reclamation Sage. Frenzied Goblin. Goblin Negotiation. Stroke of Midnight. Forward Falls. Pilfer. Okay, first pack. So how do I open this easier? Is this the trick? Yep. You open them sideways. Alright, we got a Spirit. First spot. Giada. Font of Hope. Alright, Borderless Foil. Pretty nice. I like it. Leylene Axe, Alesha, Italy, Primal Storm, okay, pretty strong, and another loot. This guy, and nice mountain. New boots, new Nikes, Shivan Dragon, Epic card, Wardens of the Cycle, Dauntless Veteran, Firebrand Archer, Squad. Okay. Nothing crazy. Second pack so far. Moving on with the third pack. Drake. First spot. High Society Hunter, okay. It's not a big hit, but it's a pretty cool card. Got a Kaito. Sadly not in foil, but pretty cool card. This Hunter, man, all these cards are borderless. No, not all of them. Some and Slagstorm. Okay. Pretty cool pack though, I like it. What else we got? Youthful Valkyrie, Sarah Angel, Tolarian Terror, and the Prideful Pirate. Pretty cool artwork. Okay, moving on to the fourth pack. I'm expecting a banger pack at some point. No mana foil, no fractured foil. This one's for the fractured foil for sure. Lastborn Hydra. Not really a fractured foil. Quilted Quilt? Great Worm. Okay, this card looks crazy. Raise the Past. So yeah, what else is in the pack? We got a Mossborn Hydra. Raise the Past. Banner of Kinship. That's it. These are the rares. Sorry for the cut, guys. My phone died on me. Had not enough space on my phone. That's why there's a cut in the video. But yeah, we missed nothing else here. Helpful Hunter. I think this one's pretty cool. This creature enters. Draw a card. Pull other. Okay, this is the fifth pack. Let's see. Can we open it like this? Ooh, I think I saw something. Can I see something? Maybe I'm just making it up for the hype. I think I saw something. Let's see. We got a rabbit, Bloomburrow flashback. And a Quilt Great Worm. I think this is pretty cool. Borderless foil. I'm not sure if it's playable. Trample. Whenever a creature you control deals combat damage during your turn, put that many +1/+1 counters on it. You may cast this card from your graveyard by removing 6 counters from among creatures you control in addition to paying its other costs. I think this one's playable. 6 mana 7/7, no? Doesn't sound bad to me. Mossborn Hydra in another version. Anthem of Champions. I haven't seen this one before.
Brother,
Pretty cool. It's not foil.
What's that?
Okay. 1000-Year Storm. Ooh. Whenever you cast an instant or sorcery spell, copy it for each other instant and sorcery spell you've cast before on this turn. You may choose new targets for the copied. This one sounds pretty good. And Time Stop, man, this looks pretty cool. End to turn. Exile all spells, abilities, including disable. The player whose turn it is discards down to their maximum hand size. Damage shields, and this turn and until. Okay. This card seems pretty crazy actually.
What the
Check this one out.
hell? Oh my
Okay.
God, no way.
Snakeskin Whale. A bridge. I love the borderless foils in the common uncommon spots. Lance. Make your move. Okay. Alright. Almost half through the box. I think the last pack was pretty amazing. I'm not sure value wise, but those were like pretty good pulls. Amazing. Kaido token. Ooh, is this a Kaido borderless foil? It's a Goblin Bushwhacker. Special guest, isn't it? I think it is. Kicker. When this creature enters, if it was kicked, creatures you control get +1/+0 and gain haste until the end of turn. Oh yeah, so the mono red guys. I think this one's for you. I like this one. Drake Catcher. Not liking this one so much. High Society Hunter. Omniscience. And we're getting those crazy enchantments. You may cast spells from your hand without paying their mana cost. Nice. Only for 10 mana. And Cranko Mob Boss. Man, this packs and this box is amazing. I like it. Pretty cool. Nice Cranko and foil. Lights and the adventure gear. Oh, this is wrong. What do we got here? Okay. Nothing. Okay, so halftime. And I think this Goblet Bushwhacker is cool. I think this one's even here. My bad. Omni Signs, Crude Great Worm, Liliana. Man, what's wrong with the focus? Kaito. Yeah, so far so good. The pulls are pretty good. Happy so far, happy so far. Let's see what we get here. In the first pack of the second half. In the first spot. Woohoo! It's a loot mana foil. In the borderless foil, this one's looking pretty cool. Many people don't like loot, but I think this card's looking amazing. I love the mana foil, I think it's great. What else do we got here? Alesha. Alesha, who loves that fate. Grey Catcher. And Ladrill. Blade of the Elves. Authority of the Councils. So this is another enchantment as well. This is rare though. Creature your opponent's controlled enter tapped. Whenever a creature an opponent controlled enters, you gain 1 life. Okay, that sounds fair. Forest. Garruk's Uprising. Vengeful Blood Witch. Strongbox Raider. Ambush Wolf. And nothing. Okay, second pack of the second half. So I think it's the 8th. My math is correct. Okay, we got the Kaito token. Skynet Squire. In the first spot. Bad card. Soulstone Sanctuary. Oh. Land becoming creature. Zolashura. Kellan, Day of Judgment. Destroy all creatures. Huge. Not. Swamp. And the rest. Inspiring Call, Raid. Grappling Kraken. This one's annoying. Oh, this turtle. Chill. 1 mana 05. Mana. Courageous Goblin. Alright, so last 4 packs. Let's see. I think the last pack's the best. I hope we can close this out with a banger. Not the best cards are pulled yet. I don't believe it. The Rabbit. The best cards are yet to pull. So I'm not sure if I know the right card, but I have seen it already. This one's looking amazing. What else we got here? Kila, okay. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this one. So this is my actually first Japanese showcase card. Pretty nice. Keelan, Skynet Squire, Genesis Wave. And Lunar Inside. Yeah, the rest is not so hype. Man, I need to know which card this is. Actually, it's looking fire. think the white cards are not so popular. Oh yeah, still good pull. I like it. Only the fracture foil is missing now. Got Manifold, Japanese Showcase, Special Guest. Oh, if you got this token, next card you get is a fractured foil.
What the
Oh, but
hell?
it's the Sire of Seven Death.
Oh my
Phyrexian
god.
card. Eldrazi, I'm sorry. With the 7 keywords: First Strike, Vigilance, Menace, Trample, Reach, Lifelink, Ward, pay 7, 7 mana, 7 life, 7/7. So it's a lucky 7 card. I think this one's pretty cool. What's underneath it? Anthem of Champions.
Ugh.
9 lives.
Brother, ugh.
Drakuseth.
What's that?
Nature Fruits. Oh,
What's
that's
that, brother?
Borderless Foily in the background. Is it Exemplar? Oh no, it's a Youthful Valkyrie. We got an island. That's nice. Cat Collector. Okay. Man, those last packs are amazing. This one's pretty cool. I wanna seal it up immediately. This is really cool. Sire of 7 Deaths. Nice. Really happy to pull this one. Actually, let me put like the best views in the foil immediately. Put in the loot. The loot. Loot from this case.
Okay.
Sorry if I didn't sleeve up something else that's worth a lot. I'm not entirely sure, we'll check after. But I think we have some decent pulls. Like the Quilt Great one. This one's actually need to be in sleeve too. Oh, we got a nice cat with a butterfly. We got a Leyline Axe. So this spot was wrecked by this one. Curator of Destinies. Celestial Armor. Nice one. Electro Duplicate. Okay. And we got an Arabo plates. Zombify. Okay. Last 2 packs. Oh no, it's the last one. It's actually the last one. Yeah. So this one, this pack here, this pack here. First pack is the bottom, the second pack has to be a fractured foil. Do you believe? I believe. What is it? Let's see.
Ugh.
This is Sear Slicer Goblin.
Brother,
That's
ugh.
not a fractured foil.
What's
Unfortunately.
that?
Well, I'll take it. Ooh, then we got another Rite of the Dragoncolor, but not in the foil. And especially not in the mana foil. Phyrexian Arena. Oh, we got a nice borderless pack here. So if you look at like this. Sylvan Scavenging, Elenda. Alright. Okay, so we cannot close it on a big boom. But I think this one's pretty nice still. Place here, put it here. So some really nice pulls. Japanese Showcase, Mana Foil, Special Guest, and the Sire of 7 Deaths. Borderless Foil. I think this is a really good one. This one needs a foil sleeve as well. Liliana. The Kaido. Okay, I think this one's pretty cool. Let me know what you pulled from your packs. Thanks so much for joining me on this collector box opening. Let me know in the comments what your favorite pull was. Had you luck, open packs. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Magic unboxing, reviews and collection updates. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.